Okay, so we're just going to have a little look at families of graphs. So in National 5, you would have had a look at sketching the graph y equals x take away 2, x plus 4. Maybe not that specific one, but you would have had a look at looking at that type. So for us to sketch it, we would get our roots. Alright, so that is when we would solve it. So x take away 2 equals 0, x plus 4 equals 0. So x equals 2, x equals negative 4. We would get our y-intercept, and we would let x equals 0. So that would be 0 take away 2, 0 plus 4. So negative 2 times 4, which is negative 8. So that's our y-intercept. And we would find our turning point. So our turning point would be in the middle of our 2 and our negative 4. So that would be, if we add them, so that would be 2 take away 4, so that would be negative 2, and then half it, x equals negative 1. Alright, and then negative 1 take away 2, negative 1 plus 4, negative 3 times 3 equals negative 9. So we've got negative 1, negative 9. Alright, and then we can sketch it. So negative 4, 2, negative 1, negative 9. And that's your negative 8. Okay, so that is what we'd look at. What we're going to be moving on to is when we have k in front. And I'm not going to be asking you to sketch them here, I was just doing that as a little reminder. So that k can change what the graph looks like. Okay, it's got to be stretching it. It's got to be stretching it on the y-axis. But we're not going to be drawing them like I said. We're just going to be working out what their graph is called. Okay, so if we had something like the graph of the quadratic function crosses the x-axis at negative 1, 0, negative 5, 0. The graph crosses the y-axis at 0, 10. Find the equation of the quadratic. Okay, so we know that it's got to look something like this one above. So y equals k, and then I'm not going to put 2 and 4 in, I'm going to put a, and what doesn't matter what signs we do, a and b. Okay, so when we think about solving, so when we went from the brackets to the coordinate, the sign changed. So we have to think about that. So we're going to have y equals k, and then the sign's got to change. So that would be x plus 1, x plus 5. Just using these two here, but when we solved up the top here, this 2 here, negative 2, and this 2, the sign changed. So we've done the same here. And then to find the quadratic equation, we obviously need to find what k is. So using the other point that we have got, y, x is there, y is there. So we'd have 10 equals k, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 5. Okay, and then we'd have 10 equals k times 1 times 5. 10 equals 5k, k equals 2. And it said find the equation, so we just want to pop that back in. So y equals 2 bracket x plus 1, x plus 5. And that is you now found the equation.